Most people live for the weekends. In this digital era, it doesn't have to be that way. Every day can be a weekend.
The traditional work world is broken. We are anxious on Sunday because we got to go to work on Monday. Then we work all week and are excited because Friday's finally arrived, and people say, Friday's here and have a good weekend. And as Adrienne said, it doesn't have to be that way in the digital work world.
Every day can be a weekend, and we're a good example this week. We've been with our family and out skating in beautiful British Columbia. And you may be wondering why people are all wearing Canucks jersey. Well, we're all Canucks fans, especially because Bob used to play for the Canucks. So that's why all the kids are wearing their Canucks jersey, and all our grandchildren.
This is traditional Canadiana, where we play outside on the rink with no referees and no parents telling us what to do. It's just fun and developing skills that we didn't have before.
We look forward to chatting with you again next week. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
1, 2, 3.